In this video, I'm going to show you how to install CachyOS on your computer in just a few minutes. This simple guide will help you quickly install and set up CachyOS with your favorite desktop environments on any PC or laptop. For demonstration, I will be installing CachyOS on my laptop running latest Windows 11 operating system. I have allocated a dedicated and empty drive for this purpose where I will be installing CachyOS. This will result in a dual boot configuration with both operating systems running from separate drives. However, if you prefer to install CachyOS alongside Windows 11 on the same drive, I have included a link to the video in the description section. The only requirements of this video, you need 8 GB or higher USB drive to create a bootable disk. Go ahead and open your web browser and visit the official website of CachyOS. Then click on the download button. If you are thinking of installing it on a laptop or PC, go for the desktop edition. But if you're having Steam Deck or Legion Go, get the handheld edition. Next, download Rufus from its official website. Once both files are downloaded, save them somewhere on your computer for easy navigation. Go ahead and open Rufus and run as administrator. Then connect your USB stick to your computer. Then choose the USB drive and import the CachyOS ISO image. I'm going to choose the partition scheme as GPT as this laptop uses UEFI BIOS mode with the GPT partition scheme. Now follow the prompts and accept to start creating a bootable USB with CachyOS. This will take some time depending on the writing speed of your USB drive. Once it's done, it's time to boot the system into BIOS. Go ahead and restart your computer and enter the BIOS using your keyboard shortcut. Mostly it could be F2, F9 or the escape key. In my case, my computer has booted into the startup manager and I'm going to press F10 to access the BIOS setup. In the UEFI BIOS settings, make sure USB boot is enabled. For secure boot, leave it disabled. Next, adjust the boot order and set your USB drive as the primary boot device. Once you're done, save the changes and exit the BIOS. Your system should now boot into the Grub menu from the USB drive. If it doesn't boot automatically, open the UEFI boot menu and manually select the CachyOS installation media. If your computer is a bit older, I recommend choosing the LTS kernel, otherwise stick to the default one. Go ahead and connect to the internet using the Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Once the process is complete, you will see a welcome screen. If you don't see this window, open the app menu and search for Hello and launch this application. Then click Launch Installer. Now go ahead and choose the system language, region, and set the keyboard layout. In my case, I'm gonna choose English US. The installer will then present this screen. It's time to choose the bootloader. It's better to use the Grub boot manager, which works great with this setup. Then from the partition section, choose the drive where you want to install CachyOS. Then click Next. Then choose your preferred desktop from here. I'm going to choose KDE Desktop. Then click Next. Then choose to install some packages. I chose to install all the recommended packages. If you have an HP printer or scanner, you can install this package. Now go ahead and create an user account. Click Next, and you will see all the summary details, and choose Install. Then sit back and relax. The installation will take some time depending on the speed of the drive. Once it's done, go ahead and shut down your computer and remove the bootable USB media. Then turn on your system and you will see the Grub boot menu. Now from here, you can boot into CachyOS and Windows 11. If in case you don't see the Grub boot manager and your system boots directly into Windows 11, just restart your computer. Whilst restarting, press the BIOS key to enter the BIOS settings. In the UEFI BIOS, look for the boot options and choose the OS boot manager. Then make Grub as the default boot manager. Now once you have made the changes, reboot your system. Now you should see the Grub menu. And that's pretty much it, and that's how you can install CachyOS on any computer or laptop. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.